Alright, 2022 Mercedes Benz GLE350. I'm gonna show you real quick how to replace the windshield fluid reservoir. Alright, so stay tuned. Shout outs to everybody. Love you all, no Diddy. Let's go, let's get it.
During the video, you will see the picture of the tool I'm using for the project with its current price. Some of these tools come with up to 50% discount. It is very easy to get them. Just go to the description box of the same video and look for the name of the tool that you need. Right underneath of it, you will see the link which it's going to take you to Amazon so you can finish your purchase. The tools will be delivered to you within 2 days or next day. Amazing, huh? Get the right tool for the job now. Yeah.
First you want to remove the tire, right? 17mm for the studs. Then you want to remove this guy. You find 2 clips down here. 10mm nut, 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 nut. 10mm nut, clips, clips, clips. Okay. It has 2 parts. One here, and one here. We're just gonna remove this side. And the reason why is because the customer says it's leaking. The only leak I saw was coming from here, from the drainage, which is normal. Okay. I fill it up all the way to the top. I don't see anything. So, now I gotta drain this since I fill it up all the way. Make a hole. Hey! I didn't know it was gonna come there with that much pressure. I'm glad I'm recording. Anyways. Let's see. Black pick disconnector. Here has a safety. Push it up. Maybe not. I like pick it. I love this tool. Pull it towards you like that. Pull it up. That's the pump. Disconnect the wiring here. Put it to the side. Let's see this part. Okay. Hold this down with a bungee cord. Ooh. Let's see where I put this. There you go. Should do it. Alright. Disconnect the wiring and clip it. 10mm. Seems like this is the only thing holding it. $10mm. You can see the part number is the same. Yep. I'm gonna reuse this. I'm gonna reuse this. That's pretty much. Got a new motor. Comes with a rubber. This rubber, I'm gonna put it here. Like so. Your pump is gonna go in here. We do this at the end though. Alright, so come over here. Oh, okay. I'm gonna have to reuse this too. There. Hold it with the 10mm nut. And that's it with this. I'm gonna tighten it. Everything Gucci. Put everything back. Clip it here. Clip it here. This one you're gonna clip it here. But leave that at the end though, because I need to put the new pump. I have to disconnect this. Let's see. Okay. I'll disconnect this. Okay. For that, I have this tool. It's for hoses. Huh. Lap pick it. I have two lap picks. One very pointy, and this one, the point is broken. So I'm gonna use this one. So I don't wanna, like any hose, break it, stretch it. Okay. Now we can pull it out. There you go. There you go. Okay. Now this one you just press it though. Okay. Press it here. The black one. Press it. Now if you're confused where it goes, white with white, black with black. Okay. I'll put this one here. Put this one here. Just push it in. There you go. It's gonna click. Now this, push it all the way down. Like so. Grab your connectors. This one. This one has a safety here. There you go. Just push it up. Now connect it. Lock it. There you go. This one. Click it. Make sure it is in there. Clip it here. Everything Gucci. Now I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna fill it up all the way and see if it leaks. I'm gonna use water first because I don't want to waste windshield fluid. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna top it off. Well, right now we're on a spring, almost summer, so I'm not worried about the water getting frozen. So that's why I'm putting water. Because if it was winter, you know what will happen. The water will freeze and the pump would work but wouldn't pump. But it's not going to pump the water. You know what I'm saying? I don't see anything. Everything Gucci over here. Everything good. Just gonna top it off with a real windshield fluid. Another UC cap. That's it. Gucci. Now I gotta put that back. Let this one go. Everything's Gucci. I don't see no lick, so step back. Right there. Everything Gucci. Put this guy back. It's easy though. That's it. Ten millimeter nuts back. Tight it at the end, alright? And there's the 10 millimeter bolt. It's 4 clips. One here, one here, 2 at the bottom. Gotta line the holes. This one. Still push it in. Push this in. Tight the tin. Gucci. That's pretty much it. Alright, that's how you replace the windshield fluid reservoir in this 2022 Mercedes Benz GLE350. Alright. Yeah, I just want to give shout outs to the viewers, subscribers. Viewers, what you're waiting for, subscribe now, get your subscription. Hope you like the video. You know what to do with the subscribe, like, share buttons. Anything you want to say, put in the comment box. The comment box. Right next to the comment box, there's a heart. That's a super thanks. Click on it. Click on it. It's going to ask you for a tip. Do that. I would appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. And love y'all. No Diddy. Where would I be without y'all? Yeah, that's it. Catch me in the next one. It's me, Stu. Boom. Lucky now. Yeah.